This October, an exciting product was introduced to the tech market. Of course, tech enthusiasts were already waiting for the collaboration of these two giants. The name of this product alone was enough to explain the fuss. Ray-Ban Meta. It's a combination of a brand that has always been a pioneer in the fashion industry and one that is considered one of the biggest names in the tech industry. Today in Software's Land, we're going to talk about this fascinating product. The official Ray-Ban website itself has introduced this product as the next generation of sunglasses. Is it really so? If you remember, back in 2013, Google introduced one of the first smart glasses that they claimed can be used on a daily basis. But due to various reasons such as safety and privacy concerns and Google's strange term of use, it finally stopped its production in March of this year. The fun fact is, back then, Google used to call its own glasses the next generation. But as I said, Ray-Ban calls this product the next generation of sunglasses, not smart glasses, which sounds smart. Another smart move was to customize two of its older best-selling products instead of designing new models. Ray-Ban eliminated the risks associated with designing new products by choosing Wayfarer and Headliner glasses. Now let's take a look at its key features and see what makes it the next generation. As a rule, smart products should have reasonably powerful processors. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are based on the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 platform, enabling high-quality photo and video processing and even faster computing performance. These glasses allow you to let others see exactly what you see. A new ultra-wide 12 megapixels camera improves the quality of your photos and up to 60 seconds of 1080p video. You can also share photos with friends and family directly from your glasses using a simple send a photo voice comment. Did I just mention the voice comment system? So I better explain more about it. They have integrated Meta AI, an advanced conversational assistant, into Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses and optimized them for a hands-free experience on the go. By saying, "Hey Meta," you can interact with Meta AI to spark creativity, get information, and control features using just your voice. But there's a special point in the design of this product which, in my opinion, is the true definition of the next generation, and that is nothing but the charging case. After all, it's not just a glasses case. Not only fully charged glasses last up to 4 hours for moderate usage, but in addition you can fully charge glasses in about 75 minutes on the charging case. It's like having a power bank that can charge your glasses for up to 32 hours at the same time. These sunglasses also have other features that you're probably aware of. For example, small, high-quality speaker that delivers sound directly to your ears, or a sensitive microphone that records sound in the best possible quality. Also, special integrations with Meta products such as Facebook and Instagram allow you to post to these social networks without using your hands. But for now, we are still in the early stages and should stand the test of time. Perhaps this time we will witness the birth of the next generation of smart glasses.